Welcome everyone to the Farm Animals Trivia Game. I'm Red Monster, and I'll be your host today. I'll read out a series of statements about farm animals, and your task is to decide if they're true or false. Listen carefully. Let's begin. Round 1. Can cow fly? What do you think? True or false? That's right. It's false. Cows cannot fly. Let's move on to the next one. Round 2. Ducks have webbed feet. Is this true or false? Correct. It's true. Ducks do have webbed feet, which help them swim. Great job. Round 3. Sheep say moo. What do you think? True or false? That's false. Sheep say baa, not moo. Well done. Round 4. Horses have 4 legs. Is this true or false? Yes, it's true. Horses do have 4 legs. Excellent. Round 5. Pigs can swim. What do you think? Is this true or false? That's true. Pigs are actually good swimmers. Great job. Round 6. Roosters lay eggs. True or false? That's false. Hens lay eggs, not roosters. Good job, everyone. Round 7. Goats have beards. What do you think? Is this true or false? Correct. It's true. Many goats do have beards. Well done. Round 8. Llamas have soft woolly fur. True or false? That's true. Llamas do have soft woolly fur. Great job. Round 9. Geese only eat meat. What do you think? True or false? That's false. Geese eat a variety of foods, not just meat. Well done. Round 10. Rabbits lay eggs. True or false? That's false. Rabbits give birth to live young, not eggs. Excellent work, everyone. Round 11. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures. True or false? That's true. Dogs are highly intelligent and can understand a lot of words and gestures. Great start. Round 12. Cats lay eggs. Is this true or false? That's false. Cats give birth to live kittens. Well done. Round 13. Parrots can mimic human speech. True or false? Correct. It's true. Many parrots can mimic human speech. Excellent. Round 14. Turkeys can fly short distances. True or false? That's true. While they aren't great at flying, turkeys can fly short distances. Great job! Round 15. Hamsters are nocturnal animals. True or false? That's true. Hamsters are most active at night. Great job! Round 16. Horses sleep standing up. True or false? That's true. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. Well done. Round 17. Frogs can live both in water and on land. True or false? That's true. Frogs are amphibians and can live both in water and on land. Excellent. Round 18. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. True or false? That's false. Goldfish have a much longer memory span, up to several months. Good job. Round 19. Chickens can recognize up to 100 different faces of people or animals. True or false? That's true. Chickens are quite perceptive and can recognize many faces. Well done. Round 20. Pigs are smarter than dogs. True or false? That's true. Pigs are very intelligent and can be smarter than dogs. Great job, everyone. Well done, everyone. You all did a fantastic job with the Domestic Animals Trivia game. If you enjoyed having Red Monster as your host, that's me, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for playing, and I hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye-bye. Well,